Ladies and gentlemen, Alex Production and Gaming Candy Scooby Trick or Trick McCormick do. There will be new rules around here in the Alex Productions mansion. Whatever you do, don't make a mess. And don't get too rowdy enough. Okay? And hear this straight. There will be new rules around here on this area. Make sure you keep it clean and while you're gone. Alright? Oh. Yeah, whatever you do, keep everything clean enough. Rockin', rock. Ain't got to hear. Rockin', rock. What do you be quiet, Scoob? Oh. Duncan, is there a problem? No, Luigi. I was checking everything for quiet minute. I was trying to keep Scooby quiet. That's why. Are you sure, Duncan? Yes, Luigi. I'm sure. Okay, like I was saying, all this cleaning is gonna be tidy and everything. And make sure you put your dishes away and everything. Because this is Alex Productions rules. Oh, we can follow the rules alright, Luigi. We really will. Right? What is it, Scooby? A rock! A rock? Roll, a rock! A luck? A rock. Rock? A rock. Like a rock. Oh, a truck. Where, Scoob? Right there. Where, Scoob? Where? Rover? Huh? Oh man, very funny, Scoob. You almost ruined this. Are you sure you saw a truck? Uh-huh. What did it look like? Oh, okay. It's rooming, and it's big, and it's different. What did it look like? What color was it? Rover? Silver? Like Dodge Neon? Roy Rover. And Red Rud. Red Blood. Oh. Wait a minute. Does that mean, the Riller truck? The killer truck? Yeah. When me and Scooby walking around the street, we saw a killer truck that was on the road. Are you sure you saw it? No one's driving or nothing? It has eyes. It has eyes? Oh, Luigi. Can I have one more moment? Sure, Kyle. Give it one more moment. Okay? And speak. Okay, everyone. Me and Scooby saw a killer truck last year ago. It was freaky looking. Then, when we last saw it, it disappeared in the mist. Then the killer truck vanished to thin air. I'm trying to say it's out there somewhere, and a cover of smoke that will disappear and appear. Wait a minute, Kyle. You said about a killer truck? Are you joking? You and Scoob? Me and Scooby weren't joking. We swear. Don't we, Scoob? Wow, we swear. That was last year ago. We saw it. That thing is real. I mean, Scooby saw it this day, didn't you? Yeah. You might have saw it. Scooby, I'm sorry for hitting you, okay? I really am sorry. From now on, I will listen to you from now on. That's okay, Runkin. Right with you. I'm sorry, Luigi. Go ahead. Talk to the speak. Very well then, Kyle. Like I was saying, keep everything clean in this mansion, cause it's gonna be a good payment today, cause I'm gonna pay the mansion payment and everything. Make sure you keep it clean in there, okay? Right, Luigi. You know this is Alex Productions mansion, alright? Yeah. And what do? Keep it clean. And what do? Tighten it up. And what do you do when you're done eating? Take the dishes away and put it in the sink. Very good. Now, we get everything clean and someone's at the door. Dino? Can you answer it? I sure can, Luigi. I sure can. Hello? Huh? Who are you? Greetings, Sir Dinosaur. Chevrolet Cobalt is the name. And I'm from the state called what is it called? Oh yes, I'm from a place called Canada. Canada? You come all the way out here and you're from Canada? Yes, Senor Dinosaur. My name is Dino. Who's at the door, the Dino? Some kind of white car that's name is Chevrolet Cobalt. And he's from Canada. Canada? Well, hello there, Chevrolet Cobalt. Hola. Senor Chevrolet Cobalt. You speak Spanish too? Why, of course. I just learned that from Canada. Learn how to speak Spanish and English. So, may I? Sure, Chevrolet Cobalt. Come on in. Gracias.